Hey guys, Tanner Reviews here, and I'll be bringing you my first Crosswhite Payramon review, and this time it is CB Starter Drift Jacker. So let's set him aside and take a look at this packaging really quick. CB38 Drift Jacker, and he is a special type. Couple shots of the Drift Core, Drift Jacker with the stickers applied. Take a look at that because I do not apply stickers. His user, Aska. Um, Drift Jagger doing some curb shot. His gimmick at it, the brake bomber, and some customization and how to hold him. And the curb shot mode. Some parts of the drift core. Some parts of Drift Jagger, and is that he has 4 power, 4 control, and 4 rapid fire. Inside the packaging, you will see the instruction sheet and the sticker sheet. It also comes with this first generation tool. Is more better than the first tool. So let's take a look at Drift Jacker. His look is cool because of these things. And there the red, you can see it here, the red rubber there. So the spin of the Beatlemon will be coming back to us. Yeah, take a look. Yeah, this is the backspin mode. So I think he's not that powerful, but it is accurate and not great at rapid fire. So that it is by himself. Couple of shots here. Over again. And that is it by itself. His gimmick here is his transformation, the curb shot mode. So you need this to unscrew the bolts, and that is it. Just put it like this, and wait, let's put this first. This is, yeah, that, and like this, opposite. Got that too. Go. And that is it. And that is it. There we go. These looks are awesome. I like this Beatlemon because I just got this on my birthday. So let's do a test shot here. Oh, so it's curved spin, and yeah, it actually worked. Oops, today. Yep, I like this Beatlemon. It's actually not doing curve, so I'm just going like there. Don't know why, but it's still working. Yeah, couple shots facing here. Yeah, awesome. Facing here. Yeah, and facing here. Yeah, and that is it guys, and this is Thunder Reviews signing off.